Hi guys, it's Alicia here. I want to show you a little trick on when you're running a Facebook ad and what we call a dark post. So a dark post is a post that or an ad that we're running. We are running as a, it's a post that we are running as a ad in our ads manager, okay? And in the ads manager, it's called a dark post, so it's not physically on our page. So when we're running an ad and it's doing really well and you think, wow, I'd really wish I had have done that on my business page, there's a way that we can add that to our business page. So what we can do is we can go up here to ads manager, go across to our little hamburger, bring up this menu, and we can go here to page posts. And then in page posts, we're able to then publish our posts. So these are all ads that I've been running. And I actually would like to get this one because it's had so much reach and engagement and lifetime for the ad I've been running. Actually, yeah, this one's the better one. I now want to add that to my page because it's going to, give me a post, and it's also got some nice credibility behind it and engagement. So you can click there, select it, go up here to actions and go publish, and it will go to my page. So if you have some other pages, which I also do, we can also just select, if I wanted to select here and I wanted to put that one onto my page, I could also do it that way if you're running multiple accounts. So now if I actually come over to my page, you should see it here. So there it is there. So it's brought the comments over, okay, and it's also brought the engagement over, and there we go. You've now put that dark post onto your business page. Okay, bye for now.